Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to show you how to insert NGL link in Facebook story. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do if you want more tips and tricks just like this. So first off, you will need 3 apps for this to begin with: NGL, Instagram, and Facebook app. So if you haven't installed NGL app yet, go to your app store and download it. And then you can search for NGL link. And then after that, tap on get and then wait for it to finish downloading. And then once it's finished downloading, you are now ready to go. So now that you have downloaded it, you need to go to your NGL app first and then tap on get started. Now it will ask you about your Snapchat or Instagram handle. So the easiest way to do this is tap on Instagram. Easier to be done. Now, if you know your Instagram handle, it will be best if you just type it down. But for the sake of this tutorial, we will show you how to find your Instagram handle. So you go to your Instagram and then tap on edit profile. So on the second option is your username. So just copy it. Okay. And then go back to your NGL link and then paste your Instagram handle just like this. Right, so now once you have done, you can now tap on done. Right, now on this next part, it will ask you to give some of your informations, and then you don't have to allow notifications, just don't allow it. Now you have an option to share a link in your story. But the first thing you need to do is copy the link first, which it says is step 1. So copy the link. Now once you have copied it, you can go to the different options right here if you want to read more about it. But if you just know what to do, just go to share on Instagram. Now NGL wants to open Instagram, so now tap open. But right now you don't have the link yet, so what you're going to do is tap on this icon right here, which are the stickers. Now on this stickers option, find the link. Right, so scroll down till you see the link right here. And then once you have found it, tap on it and then paste the link you have copied from NGL app, which is right here. When you're done, tap done. And then you can also slide this down to match all the links right here. You can also resize it to fit on the area right here. Now that is done. So now you can also share this on Facebook, which is in the bottom left. It says here, share on your story, which is going to be directly on Facebook. But if you want something that can also use as a link that directly goes to NGL app, then you need to share this option first. So tap on this arrow right here on the bottom right, and then tap share. So tap done, and now wait for it to finish. Tap on your story. So go to the bottom right here and then tap on Facebook. Confirm and share. And now that is done. That is how you insert NGL link in Facebook story. So now let's see if the link will be working in our Facebook app. Let's see if your story can be clicked. So tap on it and then let's see, tap on NGL.link. Now it's ready to be used directly on the website. Hope this video helped you a lot, and I guess that is all. So thanks for watching.